Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be something similar to what we've done here before, but I'm going to do it a little bit better. So I previously have done a DIY jute rope mirror here on this channel, but looking back, I didn't do the best job. It was my first time doing that mirror. So I actually made two more mirrors. I made this one, which I really love. And then I made this one, which is pretty similar to the one we've made here before. It has this really pretty detail on the bottom, and I added a smaller jute rope to kind of just tie everything in. These mirrors look so much better and more neat and just like a little bit more crisp. So I wanted to hop on here again and show you the same kind of video, but just better. So that's what we're doing here today. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, definitely subscribe down below to my channel. We do all kinds of things here and I would love to have you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, we're gonna be doing these outside because it is beautiful out. So what we're gonna start with is the same thing as before. I'm gonna just take this mirror out of the plastic, and then we'll start with the white one just because we'll start with something a little different. I also got all of the supplies at my local Michael's. So they come all tied up like this, and honestly, it's probably better to keep this little tape around it, otherwise it's gonna fray. You'll see as I cut it, it starts to fray. Which is fine. It just makes it a little bit harder for when you are starting again. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna just adjust the camera. This is what we're looking at. So I'm gonna start by placing the hot glue right on the border. Place down. Hold for a couple seconds. And then I'm just going to continue that around the border. Alright, so now that we've come around the total perimeter of the mirror, I'm going to just line it up and then trim where I need. See how now it gets like frayed? Just try to like twist and tuck as best as you can. Okay, and another thing, so this is where our seam is. So now I'm going to start directly under that seam. So we just have one seam to cover. In the first video, I started like here, here, and here. Like it was just all over the place. So just be a little bit more mindful of where you started and where you ended, and then you're going to start there again for the next loop. Alright, cool. So that was one bundle. I'm going to open up the next one and do a third loop. Okay, so that is our third row complete. Now we're going to work on covering this up. So, did I bring out everything? 1 second. Okay, So to now cover the seam up, okay, so now we're gonna work on the detail part of covering that up. And what we're gonna do is just, I'm using this little like woven lace detail, and I'm going to glue it down right where I want to cover that up. Okay, so I'm gonna place that down right there. And then I'm going to just add some glue right where I want to lay this down as well. Okay, let's see. Actually, I'm gonna use the other frayed side and just press that down into place. And that should be secure enough. So I was just going to continue using this rope, but I actually think if you take a look, it's going to look kind of plain if we do that, but if we use the jute rope, it's going to tie in this detail we just used. So that is what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna take the end of the jute rope and just use probably that much, make a nice little loop. I'm gonna just cut. And then glue down our rope. Now if you wanna just like clean that up, you can take this and clean it up if you'd like. Let's see, much fabric. And now this will also give it some like extra security. We're just gonna take that, glue down. Nice. That is what the back looks like, nice and neat and clean. Also, if you're going to sell these or gift them, then you definitely want to make everything look nice and neat on the back and just like throughout the whole project, because obviously someone is paying for that or you're gifting it, so you want it to be as perfect as possible. Alright guys, and this is the end of the video. I did these two mirrors off of camera. This is the one we just did on camera. I love the way they turn out. They're so simple and easy to do, and they're just really fun, and I love the way they turned out and the way they look. So this is the detail on this jute rope one. I think this one's my favorite. I just love this brown like color combo. I think it's so cute. Then this is the other one. I used that same lace on here, but I did it a little bit different. And then I used this suede ribbon to cover up the seam. This was just to add some more detail. I'm not actually covering anything in these two details right here, but this is the seam where we were connecting all of the rope. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one that we did together on camera. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. I would love to hear. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.